can't win, I can't reign, I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you.
Minsan nag-text ka sa akin, ito sabi mo, and I quote, "Excited na ako makasal sa'yo, can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you, at forever kita maging utusan." Yay! Ayos ka talaga. Lagi kang may sorpresa. Masaya ako na sa simula sa araw na ito, ikaw na makasama sa buong buhay ko. Ito tandaan mo lagi. Maka-front view, side view, back view, at kahit anong view. I love you.
Can't erase, so I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you, without you. I can't quit now, this can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you, without you. Without you, I can't look, I'm so blind. I lost my heart, I lost my mind without you.
Pala maging sincere ka at makilala mo ang Prince Charming na maglalagay ng "And they live happily ever after" sa libro mo. Magkasama nating pagtatawanan ang paglaki ng tiyan mo at pagkahubos ng kilay ko sa pagtanda natin. Ano mang pagsubok ang dumaan, haharapin natin itong magkahawak kamay.
Be the same without you.